Welcome. Today we have AMAZFIT Watch model A1952, and this watch not turn on. There we have 4 screws. This is the same screws you removed like in the iPhone pentalobe. When you remove these screws, we have to dismantle this plastic back cover. We need thin opener metal tool to remove this. Now I will try using this. And there we have the battery. Just slide in this metal cover and remove. Done. Now we can disconnect the battery. And now you have access to the battery and you can replace it. There we have motherboard. If you replace the battery, you can mount the back cover and connect the charger. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, please write below in comments. Till the next time.